This world is only an illusion.
Now I can't make you do this, but I can make damn sure something happens to you if you don't. You got something to say to me?
Nine, 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 nine. Get him out! Nine, 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 nine.
We will be cruel to the Germans. Through our cruelty, they will know who we are. They will find the evidence of our cruelty. Disemboweled, dismembered, and disfigured bodies of their brothers we leave behind us.
Those who do not pledge themselves to me shall be destroyed. The new age begins.
Now, I don't know about y'all, but I sure as hell didn't come down from the goddamn Smoky Mountains, cross 5,000 miles of water, fight my way through half of Sicily, and jump out of a fucking aeroplane to teach the Nazis lessons in humanity.
This world is only an illusion.
68 cents. The jingle jangle of pennies in your pocket because the scavengers, the leeches, the parasites are walking away with your money, while you're left with a change.
At the center of the universe, at the border between the light and the dark, stands Captain Grayskull. For countless ages, the sorceress of Grayskull has kept this universe in harmony.
This world is only an illusion.
You got something to say to me?
Put your hand on
Do you believe this fucking guy? All right, well, do the hard one.
Nazi ain't got no humanity. They're the foot soldiers of a Jew-hating, mass-murdering maniac, and they need to be destroyed.
8th of October. A bad night last night. Something dropped that rocked the ground beneath us. It did colossal damage. There were arms and legs scattered all over the surrounding streets. Sweet boys, the Nazis.
I don't want to change that. Yeah! Change it. That's what they want. Change. Change the laws. Open the doors. Red Rover, let the terrorists come over. Let me tell you what change that'll bring.
This world is only an illusion.